This is the HISENSE PureFlat Infinite Smart Fridge Freezer, and its size makes it perfect if you've got a large family. So let's take a look and see just how much you can fit in here and dive into some of its other handy features. The capacity in this fridge is huge. With 632 litres of space, you can fit roughly 35 bags of groceries in here. So you can take full advantage of all of those supermarket deals without worrying where to put it all. On the fridge side, you've got metal tech cooling, which gives you consistent cooling to keep the texture, flavour and the nutrients of your food fresh. Plus it gives your fridge a really nice premium interior. Over on the freezer side, you get 5 shelves and 2 drawers to fit in all your frozen food, as well as a couple of shelves in the door for smaller items. And even with all this space inside, there's still room for an ice dispenser in the freezer and a water tank in the fridge, so you'll always be able to enjoy a nice chilled drink. This has a PureFlat design, which means that the doors have recessed handles, so there's nothing sticking out. These handles are also designed so that both adults and children can open them. Perfect if your kids like to help themselves to snacks. And if they forget to close the door, it automatically closes itself at 15 degrees, just like that. The one thing that you don't want to do with a fridge this size is defrost it. But with this, you can forget about having to do that yourself, as it's got clever tech that prevents ice from building up. Total no frost technology evenly distributes cold air around the fridge and the freezer compartments to stop ice buildup, which keeps your food fresher and more nutritious for longer. So it's a real win-win. If you'd like to find out more information about this HISENSE fridge freezer, then visit us in store, head online, or you can even talk to one of our tech experts on a Shop Live video call.